Let's create a quote using a template. Start by choosing or creating a contact. If you've already measured this roof, the measurements will appear automatically. If not, you can quickly measure it now. Next, choose a template, whether it's for a shingle, tile, metal, or flat roof replacement, or a repair job. For this example, we'll use a shingle roof replacement template. You can always edit these templates to fit your business. After selecting a template, you can choose to build your quote by line items or by price per square. In this example, we'll continue with the price per square option. You can add or edit items, either create a new one or pull from your item list. Every time you add an item, it's saved for future use. Once your item list looks right, make sure the price per square is correct. Add any notes for your customer, adjust the payment terms, and review or edit the terms and conditions and warranty. You can also upload photos if you'd like. That's it. Send the quote directly by email or text, or save and print it for later. If sent, your customer can sign it digitally, and will notify you as soon as it's approved. You can find this and other quick tutorials on every screen. Just click the question mark icon.